Did you know most truck owners spend thousands upgrading wheels, lifts, and lights, but completely ignore the small tech upgrades they actually use every single day? And that's exactly why so many people end up regretting expensive mods that look cool in parking lots, but do absolutely nothing when you're dealing with daily commutes, job sites, road trips, or hauling gear. Here's the thing. Your pickup doesn't need another flashy accessory. It needs smarter upgrades that make driving easier, safer, and way more convenient. Today, we're breaking down the top 6 best car tech upgrades for pickup trucks on Amazon, and we rank them from useful everyday gadgets to absolute game-changing upgrades that can completely transform how you use your truck. We've got ultra-stable phone mounts, tailgate upgrades that save your back, a wireless adapter that turns your truck into an entertainment hub, and one tool that can unlock hidden features most truck owners don't even know they have. And trust me, number 1 is either going to save you hundreds in dealership fees or get you obsessed with customizing your truck. Let's get into it. Before ranking these products, we looked at what truck owners actually deal with every day. Rough roads, heavy tailgates, long road trips, phone mounts that fall off in summer heat, navigation systems that fail when towing trailers, and expensive dealership diagnostics that should never cost as much as they do. That's where these products stand out. Some are simple upgrades. Others completely change how your truck functions. But not all of them are worth buying for everyone. So stay till the end because I'll break down exactly who should buy what. Starting at number 6, we've got the Taurus Ultra Durable Phone Holder. And yeah, I know what some of you are thinking. A phone holder? Really? But hear me out. A bad phone mount becomes incredibly annoying fast. You hit one pothole, your phone flies off. You drive in summer heat, the suction cup melts off your dash. Then suddenly, your $1,000 phone is sliding under your brake pedal. That's a terrible day. This Taurus mount solves that with absurd grip strength. They claim over 96 pounds of suction strength, which sounds excessive until you drive a truck on rough roads, construction zones, or uneven trails. And that's where this thing shines. Whether you drive an F-150, Silverado, Ram, or Tacoma, truck cabins bounce more than standard sedans. Cheap mounts simply can't handle that vibration. This one gives you dashboard mounting, windshield mounting, and vent mounting options, which makes it much more versatile than cheaper alternatives. The clamp also feels far more secure than magnetic-only options. Now here's the catch. It's not the fastest mount if you constantly grab your phone. You'll need 2 hands sometimes, and it does take slightly longer than magnetic alternatives. But if your biggest concern is stability, this thing wins, especially if you use GPS daily. Or is the Rand McNally RAND-TAB 8 GPS, and this one is not for casual drivers. But if you tow trailers, RVs, campers, boats, or drive commercially, this thing becomes incredibly valuable. Google Maps doesn't care if your trailer is too tall for an upcoming bridge. It won't warn you about truck restrictions, and that can become a very expensive mistake. This GPS asks for your truck dimensions, trailer size, load information. Then, it creates routes specifically designed for larger vehicles. That alone can save massive headaches. Low clearance bridges, restricted roads, sharp trailer turns, weight limitations. It avoids all of it. The built-in dash cam is another huge bonus. Now, yes, it's expensive, and if you only drive locally, it may be overkill. But for towing, long-distance hauling, this could save your trip. At number 3 is the APPS 2-car magnetic grab handle mount, and this is one of the smartest truck-specific accessories here. Unlike traditional mounts that stick to dashboards and eventually fail, This one attaches directly to your truck's grab handle. That means no melted adhesive, no suction failures, no dashboard clutter. And if you own a truck like an F-150, Ram 1500, Silverado, or Jeep Wrangler, this design feels incredibly natural. Your phone sits higher, easier to see, and stays locked in place. MagSafe compatibility makes it ridiculously convenient. One-hand mounting feels effortless. That's especially helpful when your hands are full. But there's one major catch. If your truck doesn't have compatible grab handles, this product is useless. That's why it ranks below the universal Taurus mount. For compatible vehicles, though, it's fantastic. Now, before we reveal the top two, here's where most truck owners waste money. They buy flashy accessories they barely use, LED gadgets, cheap electronics, random gimmicks. Then, ignore upgrades that improve daily life every single time they touch their truck. And these next two products do exactly that. At number 2 is the Orion MotorTech Tailgate Assist, and honestly, this upgrade feels way more premium than its price suggests. If you've ever let a heavy tailgate drop accidentally, you know how violent that feels. That slam gets old fast, and over time, it can wear components down. This upgrade fixes that by adding controlled hydraulic lowering. Open your tailgate with one hand, let go, and it slowly lowers itself. Smooth, controlled, safe. This becomes incredibly helpful when carrying groceries, tools, camping gear, or kids' sports equipment. Installation is surprisingly simple too. No complicated wiring, no major modifications, just bolt it on. The biggest downside? Vehicle compatibility. Always check fitment before buying. But if it fits your truck, this is one of those upgrades you'll immediately wonder why your truck didn't come with. And finally, at number 1, we've got the ELM 327 OBD2 scanner. And this is easily the most powerful product on this list. Most people think OBD scanners are only for reading check engine lights. Not this one. This gives you access to hidden vehicle settings and deeper diagnostics many standard scanners can't reach, especially for Ford owners. You can enable hidden features, run diagnostics, access modules most cheap Bluetooth scanners can't touch, and potentially avoid expensive dealership visits. That's huge. Imagine paying a dealer hundreds for diagnostics when this tool costs a fraction of that. Sounds amazing, right? Well, here's the catch. This product has the steepest learning curve on this list. You'll need a Windows computer. You may need software setup, and beginners might feel overwhelmed. But if you love customizing your truck, or you hate unnecessary repair bills, this tool is insanely valuable. So, which one should you actually buy? Best overall? The ELM 327 scanner, because it unlocks the most value long-term. Best budget upgrade? The Taurus phone mount. Best convenience upgrade? The Orion Tailgate Assist. Best for road trips? The 3-in-1 CarPlay adapter. Best for towing? The McNally GPS. And best truck-specific accessory? The app's 2-car mount. Bottom line? Skip the flashy junk. Buy upgrades that make your truck smarter every single day. If you want pricing, discounts, or availability, check the links in the description below. And if you already own one of these, or think I missed a better truck gadget, drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe because we've got more truck gear breakdowns coming soon.